Imagine unlocking a world where top companies are fighting to hire you, and all you need is the FortiGate 7.4 Administrator certification to make that a reality. Today, I'll show you how to crush this exam on your very first attempt. Step 1. Understand the exam format. The FortiGate 7.4 Administrator exam focuses on configuring, troubleshooting, and managing FortiGate devices. You'll face multiple choice and scenario-based questions divided into topics like networking fundamentals, security policies, user authentication, VPN configuration, high availability, HA. Knowing these areas in depth is essential to passing. Step 2. Study with high-quality material. The quality of your study materials makes all the difference. That's why I recommend using examshome.com. Their study materials are designed to help you pass with confidence, offering detailed explanations, practice tests, and expert guidance. Step 3. Hands-on practice. Theory alone won't cut it. You need hands-on experience. Practice configuring real or simulated FortiGate devices. Focus on areas like configuring security policies, VPNs, and high availability to truly master the skills. Step 4. Take practice exams. Take as many practice exams as possible. Simulate real exam conditions to manage your time effectively, and identify weak areas that need improvement. Step 5. Revise and relax. Revise your notes, but don't overdo it. Keep a balanced approach. Study, practice, and most importantly, relax before the exam. A calm mind leads to better performance. Ready to pass the FortiGate 7.4 Administrator exam in your first attempt? Visit examshome.com for top quality study resources and start your journey to success. Subscribe for more certification tips, and good luck!